So, you'll be trying to use the sound bill system. It's called an Oticon, so we want to connect it. First, turn the power on, and then you get a little green light coming on, and it says, Oticon, welcome. And then it says, the FM channel, it says sync, menu, monitor, volume control. So, I'm going to use this to sync. So, I'm going to be syncing up to the speaker and go. There. I got a melody. That means this Oticon amigo is already connected to the speaker. It's already paired. So, now let's take a sound check. Get the microphone. Get the little microphone right here. So, I'm going to do a sound check. And I'm going to do it at the high volume. So I do not want it to make feedback. So, I'm going to turn it up. Go to volume control. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. This is an Oticon Amigo sound bill system. So it's a high volume. Is it very loud? Now I'm going to turn it down. Back to normal. So this is normal volume to, if I turn it up to 30 dB, it depends on the teacher start. If you get the microphone too near a speaker, you get a howling or whistling noise coming from it. So now I'm going to put it on mute. Okay, now I'm going to turn it off. That is with an Oticon Amigo Pro.